Hey guys, for this video, I'll help you fix the no direct messages bug that's happening to a lot of people nowadays on TikTok. I have many solutions for you, so watch carefully so you can do them all. The first option I have is checking the App Store and see if TikTok is updated. If it is, then there should be no update sign. If there is no update sign, move on to the next step. The second option is by going to Settings, report a problem, direct message, and direct messaging is no longer available. So just tap on yes. Tap on no, and then it will ask if you need more help, and then just type whatever you want to say there. And they might fix it for you in the next 24 hours. The final option is going to Settings, the iPhone settings, and then General, and then iPhone storage, and then TikTok. And then offload the app. This will allow you to restart the app and then fix it. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.